Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and today is the first day of the UK's official lockdown, so we need to stay at home. I mean, we've been encouraged to stay at home, but now we need to stay at home because we will get fined if we're not at home and we're not on our one daily walk for exercise, or whether we're going out for food. So it's kind of strange, and I think it's brought up another level of anxiety, again about food, about livelihood, about earning money, particularly for those who are self-employed. I'm self-employed. There doesn't seem to be much the government's doing for self-employed. And being isolated, not being able to connect with people, particularly for people on their own, older people who are perhaps not so online, because online obviously there's a huge amount of connection, but if you're not online that can be really, really difficult. So I'm making these videos every day. We have a virus, the coronavirus, as you know, and we have a massive virus, even bigger than that, the virus of fear. And I want this tapping to become an even bigger virus. So if you're watching this right now, please do hit the share button so that others can benefit from this technique, so that we can all help each other to raise our vibrations and increase our levels of calm and peace. And of course that then helps the body function better, and that boosts our immune system. So tapping really is just a win-win. It helps us on so many levels. So today we're going to be tapping on anxiety about lockdown. So if you put something in the comments below, I will try and include it as well in the tapping. So if you haven't done EFT before, then just do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So let's get going. So even though I'm in lockdown, I'm not allowed to leave the house unless there's a very good reason. So I feel trapped, and that makes me feel anxious and worried and fearful. I'm anxious about not having enough food and not knowing if I can get enough food, and not being able to get a delivery food slot, and worried about actually going out to buy food because I might catch the virus, and people aren't keeping their distance, and that feels so disrespectful, and it makes me feel anxious. And I'm worried about earning money. How am I going to keep earning money when I can't leave the house? All of these fears and all of these anxieties, and I acknowledge them, and I acknowledge myself just as I am and just as I'm not. So tapping through the points now, starting with the top of the head, all of this overwhelming anxiety, and notice where you feel it in your body, and notice the body sensations, and take a deep breath in. All of this anxiety about needing to stay at home, anxiety about leaving the house and being in close contact with other people in the supermarket. But I need food and I need to survive. And I'm worried about the vulnerable people in my life, the people who live on their own, who are in complete isolation. with no physical contact with anyone. Anxiety for myself, anxiety for my family, anxiety for my friends and my neighbours. It's overwhelming, and it's so hard to comprehend. What am I going to do with myself for all of these days and weeks that I can't leave the house? I'm going to do my head in. And how will I entertain my kids, if you've got them? How will I keep them busy? How will I stop them from fighting? And how will we all get on together? We're not used to spending so much time in each other's companies. All of this overwhelm, all of this fear, all of this worry, and all of this anxiety. And just take a deep breath in now. And notice where you feel all these uncomfortable feelings in your body. It might be tension or tightness or dread or heaviness. And if those body sensations had a colour, what colour would they be? And if you don't know, just guess. And if there was a colour that could lift and lighten the colour of the uncomfortable feelings in your body, what colour would that be? And now imagine that that new colour is mixing and merging and lifting and lightening the heavy colour. And take a deep breath in. And noticing my feet on the ground and my body in the chair, being supported by gravity right now. I want to feel calmer. I need to feel calmer. I want to feel more relaxed. I need to feel more relaxed. Releasing some of this anxiety and replacing it with relaxation. Infusing calm and relaxed energy into every cell of my body now. And if that calm and relaxation had a colour, what colour would it be? And in bathing in that calm, relaxed colour, infusing peace into every cell of my body and every fibre of my being. Even more peace. Infusing peace in my mind and peace in my thoughts and peace in my body, boosting my immune system, boosting my joy. And just think now of one thing that you're grateful for right now, and For me, I'm looking out the window and the sky is blue and the sun is shining. So it's going to be nice to go for a walk today. So tuning into that feeling now. And sending that feeling of peace out into my family, my friends, sending peace to my community, peace to the people in my country, peaceful energy to the people in the world, helping us all get through this together. Infusing peace and calm and vibrant health energy into me, into you, into everyone on the planet, so that we can move forward from this in a newer, healthier way that's more in harmony with our environment. And put your hands in the centre of your chest, your heart chakra, and say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So thank you for watching, and please do repeat this as often as you need to. I'm making a video a day until I run out of steam, so please do check out my other videos if you need to. I've also got them on YouTube, and I had a wonderful testimonial yesterday from someone who's been watching them, who has the coronavirus at the moment, and she said she watched 3 videos and her coughing stopped. So I'm delighted that it's actually helping people. So please do share these videos with people who you think should benefit. I want to make tapping a bigger virus than coronavirus, a bigger virus than the fear virus. So keep tapping and share your tapping with other people. And just sending you strength. We can get through this. We are getting through this. Stay strong, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.